Hello, lovely people. I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for clicking and welcome to a new video. This is a very exciting video, and as you can see from the surrounding, we are outside. And I want to take you on a date in Nairobi, just a walking distance from the central business district, where I'll show you a place you can go at less than 200 Kenya shillings, enjoy a good time, connect with nature, and above all, have fun either as a group or as an individual without having to break a bank. So welcome to the Nairobi Arboretum. Some quick facts. Nairobi Arboretum is located off State House Road around Kilimani, and it is approximately 3 kilometers from the Nairobi Central Business District. It's an expansive park which is so close to the city and sits on 30.4 hectares of land, a full area covered by very beautiful trees, and there's a lot of nature. We also have a lot of animals. You can go watch birds, there are monkeys. And the most beautiful thing, if especially you're a nature lover, it's just the flora and fauna of that place. You get to see a lot of species of plants, and there are very many trails where you can take your walk, you can do your jogging. But the fact that they're animals, they also have some rules. Further, they also charge, and the fee is a standard 115 Kenya shillings for adults and 50 shillings for children. Also, if you're driving, there's a lot of parking space, and when the space at the Arboretum exterior fills up, they allow you to park at the State House Road Primary School that is just across the gate of the Arboretum. So you won't struggle with your parking, and for the parking you just pay as an individual, like you pay the amount you pay for the adult as your parking fee. And guys, in case you're wondering whether I went alone, I did not go alone. I went with a group of amazing ladies, most of them from my church. And hey, if you're looking for a church, you guys, you're welcome to my church. It's cool like that. Anyway, we also went together with our kids, and the kids had the most fun. You know, the beauty of this place is that the space is open, and it is so huge, so the kids will not get bored. They have a lot of activities. They just had so much fun. Here we were scouting for a nice spot. But this place is so huge, and there are so many groups that come here for team building activities. So this is where we identified. We are now putting down our stuff, and the games can begin. So finally we got a very nice spot, and from here it was hours and hours of so much fun and games together with our children. We really enjoyed ourselves. If you're bored on any day of the week, imagine this place opens from Sunday to Sunday, literally the whole week from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. So if you're bored, please just go find yourself a spot, sit, read a book, jump, jog, or even get company and just go have a good time. After all the play, it was now time for us to have a sit down, enjoy our meals, enjoy our snacks. So what we did something called potluck. I don't know if you've ever heard of it, where you come together and then each and every one of you brings some food or some snack that they prefer to bring. Then you'll sit down together and share the meal. It was just one of the best ideas ever. We had so much fun. We ate, we enjoyed as we bonded, and then there were so many other groups that were there also having a good time. Imagine yourself sitting in this place on a quiet Saturday or a Sunday afternoon with your book, enjoying you with your headphones on. And hey, talking about headphones, I remember the rules. You're not supposed to cycle, and you're not supposed to have loud music. Even Bluetooth speakers are not allowed. You're expected to just use your headphones while listening to any kind of music, so they don't expect you to be disturbing the other people, because there are always various people in pockets in different places. I forgot to mention, they also don't allow the plastic containers for water, like water in a bottled container, they would not allow. But if you should carry now your own container for water, the ones that are not disposable. They are just trying to conserve the environment and to avoid pollution. And another thing is that, oh, look at those monkeys, oh my god. Another thing is that they have the bins all over the place. So once you're done with your eating and everything, kindly make sure you keep your environment clean up your waste, and then you leave them in the bins. Clearly, it was one amazing day, I will not lie. And as you can see, now we are nearing the exit. Our adventure is done, and now it's home time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the video. I hope I've given you a plug. May God bless you, and see you on the next one.